Bear, buddy. Okay, so this is a different kind of a video. This is for more for people that are kind of lost with the sea of figurines that you get inside of Daz, or new to Daz and want to start with the with good figures. Now look, Daz has thousands and thousands of figures, and a lot of people have asked me what characters I use. When I say a lot, one or two people, maybe one, maybe none. No one knows, but. I thought this would be a good way for people that are entering Daz or want to start in Daz or no Daz but are just looking for good figures. So I'll start the segment up where we start going through different figures that I use and that I like. I own a hell of a lot of figures. A lot of them I don't like and a lot of them I do like. Now I'm not going to ever review or talk about figures that I don't like. I don't think that's fair because it's a personal opinion. But the ones that I do use and the ones that I do like, maybe it's a good thing that I can start talking about them. And maybe this can help a lot of people to make their decisions in the future if they're looking through a sea of figures and they're not sure what to use. I'll do the same with hair, clothes, and everything else. The next one I'll do is about guys, the guy models that I use. But for me, the characters I use the most come from an artist called bluejaunte, bluejaunte. Must be French, right? Now this person, man, woman, team, I don't know who it is. I'm the worst with like names and people and stuff. I don't know anything. But what I do know is that I absolutely adore their characters. Their characters are incredible. Why? Because I'm the kind of person that likes to do stylized realism. I like stylized realism. That means they're not real, they're not too stylized, but it's I love the throwbacks to like Nightmare on Elm Street posters or Halloween posters and all this. And I've just kind of done my own takes on these kind of things, which I really love. And characters do a lot for you. The skin, the kind of way they set up, the expressions, everything about them. And this bluejaunte just nails. Like Sahel, who's this one? Sahel, the eyes on this one are just incredible for expression, to show expression on eyes, and that's how I kind of get like, I use them and I use those expressions for this kind of thing. Fear, once again, it was all about the eyes for me, and who better? Sahel. Noemi is just this absolutely gorgeous model. But what I love about them is the realism that this person brings, the understanding of a real human. It's the flaws of the human. Every one of these characters come with a asymmetrical slider, which just shows me that this person understands exactly the little details of a real human. They also come with these incredible HD expressions for smiles. It's a smile expression, which are just so subtly, beautifully done. This person knows exactly what they're doing when it comes to characters. And look at that, just subtle, perfect, incredible. And I love the skin on these characters are probably some of the best skin I've seen on characters. They are just perfect. They come out perfect, they render perfect, they just really beautiful. So that's what I love about this bluejaunte. If you're looking for and you don't know what characters to buy or look at it, and there's just too many, start off with some of the best, man, and that's these bluejaunte, and they just create the most beautiful things. So I hope this helps. This is kind of like I think I'll start where maybe it helps people. I'm not going to review things. I don't think it's right, except for the Genesis 9 that's here. But I'm not going to review PA's work because I don't think it's fair. But what I can do is I can tell you what I like and why I like it and why I use them. And maybe it helps you in your future purchases, and maybe it can help a little bit because I have a lot of models that I think are terrible and I don't know why they're even on the store. But to each his own. Maybe, somebody loves these kind of things. But for me, for my style, I love these kind of characters. Bluejaunte just does it so well. They just have this look. None of them are Barbie dolls. None of them are Barbie dolls. They're all beautiful, but none of them are Barbie dolls. I think the closest is Noemi, 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 Noemi. But just absolutely class, beautiful. This person knows exactly what they're doing. They understand humans. They understand skin. They understand emotion. They understand expression. They are just absolutely clued up. Look at the skin. Look at the little bumps. Every one of these models are HD. Every one of them come with a cool expression, and every one of them come with the asymmetrical slider, which is just amazing. Look at the faults on the skin, the stretch marks. I mean, this person is just absolutely hats off to this person, and a huge thank you, because this makes my art look good. Did make my art look good. Now, sure, I'll still take them into something like ZBrush or whatever, and I'll still do the rest that I need just to do what I want to do. But if this helps, and maybe it does, and let me know what you think about this, because then I can start doing this for hair, for clothes, and whatnot. Just the things that I like and the things that I use. Maybe it helps some people new to Daz or in Daz and just, have never seen. Maybe this is a new gem for you. But for me, some of the best characters on the Daz store is bluejaunte. Okay, hope this helps, and thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.